Hello everyone, I'm Prashant and I'm thrilled to have you here with Upskilling. With over 12 years of hands-on experience in SAP Finance, Controlling and Central Finance, I've seen it all from legacy systems to cutting-edge transformations. This training, we are diving deep into real-world practical project implementation from scratch. Why? Because the clock is ticking. By 2027, SAP will bid farewell to ECC, and companies worldwide are gearing up for the SAP S4HANA migration. It's a high-end octane moment, and here's why. SAP S4HANA revolution. SAP S4HANA is the future, and it's knocking on our doors. Whether you are a fresh graduate, seasoned professional, or an end user, this is your golden ticket. Why FICO? Finance and controlling isn't just about numbers. It's about shaping business decisions. Imagine working in any domain, be it food, safety, manufacturing, or pharmaceuticals. Finance is the heartbeat of every organization, and the demand for the skilled FICO consultants is skyrocketing. What's in it for you? To clear lip, whether you are switching trades or leveling up, SAP S4HANA FICO opens doors. Freelance opportunities. Be your own boss, consult, implement, and earn. And it has a high earning potential. Finance consultants are always in demand. So buckle up. We are diving into configurations related to GL accounting, accounts payables, accounts receivables, asset accounting, controlling, and more. From theory to hands-on practice, we have got you covered. Let's build skills that matter and secure our spot in the SAP revolution. Remember, knowledge is power, and SAP S4HANA FICO is your passport to success. See you in the class.